Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Kiodiekin. Welcome back to the channel. So I have some important updates regarding the channel and moving forward. As you guys know, I do a lot of things here on the channel directly with RC cars, video games, fireworks, tech reviews, and a number of other things you guys probably haven't seen before. And so in order to streamline this, I've decided to branch off and create another YouTube channel called RC DIEKIN. I will slowly be moving things over to that channel, a lot of older footage that you guys have never seen before. And I find for the most part it would be the best option and the smartest thing for me to do. It was something that I've put on the back burner for quite some time. And in fact, I think even earlier on last year, maybe 2 years ago, I even did a Facebook poll. I even asked a lot of you, would you guys rather me keep all of my content here on this channel or create a separate channel specifically for RC? And honestly, the results were 50-50 at that time. Even some of my closer friends were like, yeah, just keep it all on the same channel. And I do know that it could be a problem, you know, as far as, you know, it's another channel that you guys have to kind of search out for if you're looking for specific content, because I do have a lot of people who are into video games, PC mods, fireworks and so forth. And you know, they probably didn't want to have to go to a separate channel if I'm uploading something with RCs. But however, I do think the time has come. I do have a lot of footage in the RC business that I've just never uploaded, primarily because, you know, I try to keep all of my videos entertaining, make sure they're nicely edited. And so this would also give me a way to upload a lot of footage without having to worry about editing it, just kind of maybe walk through, you know, do some things, you know, showcase what goes on in the RC business. In fact, a lot of videos at tracks where I ran multiple of my RC cars, but the past few years I've just never, you know, uploaded it because, you know, I want to make sure that I build up a nice showcase for those of you who are subscribers. But I think at the same time too, you know, initially when I started my channel, I just wanted to have everything on one specific channel. I didn't want to create a firework channel and do one for PC and video games and do another one for RCs. I just wanted to be that all-around guy that does, you know, everything. And I think you typically don't see that from a lot of YouTubers. They focus on what's good for the algorithm. You don't see a lot of people maybe you know, genuinely being themselves because they don't think it'll get views, whatever. I upload whatever the heck I'm interested in, and you know, whatever I feel is fun. But you know, the YouTube algorithm is something different. I do believe that a lot of traction can be gained by, you know, obviously having certain keywords. So for example, if you have Traxxas, Arma, RC cars, that's going to get mixed up into Retro Pi, Raspberry Pi, video games, fireworks, and everything else. So I don't think that kind of mixes too well. So again, I will be opening up branching off and starting a new RC channel. It will be entitled RC DIEKIN. I will slowly, for the next few days and the next couple of weeks, slowly uploading a lot of older content going back from like 2006 up until, you know, previously now. And then of course, for those of you who are in the RC, you guys watch some of my other content. This way you guys can get a better channel, a better showcase for everything dedicated in the RC. Now, this won't affect my upload schedule. Actually, I think this would actually help a little bit more because even this past weekend, I have a lot of raw footage. I don't want to spend too much time editing that. So it would allow me just to kind of quickly copy and paste a lot of the stuff or footage, raw footage that I have, and just quickly upload it for those of you who love watching some nitro RC cars going around the track. So I do believe specifically that a channel dedicated for that would be much more ideal as opposed to having a tech, computer, video game related channel, and you may not be interested in something like that. And so I do feel it's easier for you who are subscribers if you do still want to just get the overall content idea of everything that I do. I do have my Facebook group, which is Kiodiekin Hobbies, where I do the RC video game fireworks and stuff like that. And then of course you guys can obviously subscribe to both channels as well as the firework Kio Boom Daikin. So and then of course I did make a little junk channel where I have a lot of arcade media related content, the stuff that was sitting on my hard drive, just raw video footage where I could just quickly upload something, doesn't really require any editing. So a couple of us run that channel as well. So we're doing all this because we're growing. I do all this because I care. Wanted to keep everything simplified. Again, this won't really upload or change the upload schedule because I don't always do RC cars and stuff every day. Maybe every 2 or 3 months. If you guys want to see some store videos or whatnot, it'll be easier for you to search it in the algorithm, easier for you to find it on the channel without me having to upload, let's say, 20 videos about Raspberry Pi, RetroPie, or gaming and that facet. And then there's one RC car video. So no, this is being done to help you streamline and find the creative content that I do upload. And again, I have tons of videos from the previous years, going back to the past 10 years that I just never uploaded because I wanted to make sure that it was nice. It was nicely edited, walked around. And then, of course, a lot of footage that I have just kindly was forgotten about. If you look at some of the other content creators that have dedicated RC channels, obviously, as for the algorithm, is easier to find. So I do believe in keeping everything simplified. All of my content as far as the RC car videos and stuff that I've already uploaded will stay here on my main channel, Kiodiekin. And so I hope this is for the best and you guys can understand the adjustment. So with that being said, please like and subscribe. We still have a lot of videos that are coming out. Nothing's changing here. Most of the RC stuff video is going to be moved over there, including all the conventions that I used to go to. And then, of course, all my firework videos are going to my dedicated firework channel, Kiodiekin. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys want to check out all those different channels. And again, this will not change the upload fashion whatsoever. I'm one person. I wish I could hire somebody else currently to work more or less specifically on some of these other things so we can get some more content up and going. So you guys all have a great day. I'll catch you later. Peace out. Bye-bye.